All right, guys, we're in BOSCH Booth live from New York City in ISC East. This is Tom. How are you doing, Tom?
I'm doing good. Nice to meet you, Jeremy. Thanks for coming by the booth.
Well, thanks to you. So tell us more about Bosch and what you have in store for us today.
Well, the thing with Bosch that everyone should be aware of is that we have a full line of security products, full line of low voltage products. So I'm the intrusion and access control guy, but we have a very tight integration to our other technologies. For example, our video, our sound technology, we have professional audio, and the unique portion of that is we're the only manufacturer in the industry that has all of those different pieces: intrusion, access control, video, professional audio, PA systems, and they all integrate with one another, and that provides a lot of benefits for our customers. So if you imagine you have a building and you're setting up an emergency call system or a disaster management system, you could monitor the building with the intrusion system. You'd have pull stations for emergency call. They're all UL listed, all supervised. They activate the event, which tells the video system to show you video of that event and plays a message for, let's say it's an emergency evacuation message over a professional PA system. And that's all very seamless. It's all seamless integration. Anything that has the Bosch logo on it will integrate with other things that have the Bosch logo on it. They're all top of the line and industry leading systems on their own. For example, our intrusion systems are in all 10 of the top 10 Fortune 500 retailers in North America. Our video systems, like that camera, the MIC camera, those are on naval ships, those are on cruise ships, those are on oil refineries. Our audio systems, we don't have an example of them here, but they're in very high-end applications. So all these systems and all this equipment can stand on its own and do a very good job. But when they're integrated to one another with a Bosch integration, they just bring that up to another level. The capability is much better.
Yeah, I know Bosch for being this unified solution that have like one-stop shop. You stop at Bosch and everything is there,
Right.
and it's great to hear about it. I see on the TV behind you that there is some kind of demonstration.
Yeah,
Can you maybe walk us through it?
It's funny. We do a lot of things for the installer that make it easier for the installer. When you think of Bosch, you think that we make products that are very robust, very reliable, they last forever. If we say it'll go 100 yards, it'll go 200 yards, right? So the performance is wonderful. But on all of our products, we also think of little things for the installer. And this is an example of our newest intrusion detectors. Now, I was the product manager when both of these detectors were released, so you can blame me. But that's one we released in the 90s. It takes a good 5 minutes to install that. You've got the circuit board, and this is very typical of what a lot of our competitors look like when you're installing them. This is our newer side, and we're looking at this at the wrong time in the video. Our newer detectors can take up to 40% less time to install. We do a lot of little things like this self-locking enclosure. All the electronics are enclosed. We have a removable terminal strip, and it's a custom terminal strip, so the way that it clamps on the wire, you won't get loose wires. We have a bubble level in the base, so you can make sure that it's level on the wall. All these little things save a few seconds here, a few seconds there, provide a more accurate installation, so you have a better installed product, and it takes a lot less time. So imagine if Bosch could save you 4 or 5 minutes of installation time per motion detector. Let's just say it's 5 minutes, and for easy math, you got a dozen of them. We just saved you an hour.
Yeah.
So whatever it costs your labor for an hour, just use a Bosch detector, and every 12 detectors, you've just saved an hour. And we're already cost competitive. So you get a cost competitive product that's saving you an enormous amount of money on the installation as well.
So I guess
And it's a better installation.
It is, and I guess every installer should thank you since you were the product manager on these detectors.
We try. Thanks a lot. We appreciate that.
Well, thanks to you, Tom, for introducing to these fantastic products out there. Any shout outs you would like to give before we leave?
Well, to all of our customers, thank you very much for your business. We really appreciate it. I'm very proud to represent the Bosch brand for so many reasons, our quality, our robustness, but all of our partners are really the reason we're proud to be in the business. So Jeremie, thank you very much for the opportunity.
My pleasure, Tom.